Joanna Canals. Well, the holidays are finally here, and with them come travel, last-minute shopping, meal prep, cooking, and all the stress that comes along with it. Here with some great products to make this time of the year a little easier on all of us is nutritionist Andrea Donsky. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, the stress is upon us,
It
right?
is,
so
it is.
you have some ideas and some products that are going to kind of help out with that.
I do. Stress, holidays, you know, we're busy, we're running around. So let's start over here with some wipes.
Okay.
So in order to, because we're stressed, our immune systems can be a little bit depressed, so we want to make sure we don't catch a cold or a cough.
Right.
And the way to do that would be to wash our hands, but we're not always next to a sink.
Yes.
Next best thing is to use a wipe. These are wipes from Nature Care, and the reason I love them is they're not just for babies' bums. You can use them for other things. I keep them in my office, I keep them in my car, I use them to wipe my hands, my kids' faces, right?
They actually smell really good.
So they smell beautiful.
Yes.
And what's great about them is it's all natural. There's no harsh chemicals on it that can irritate your skin, which is why I love Nature Care's products. Nature Care is best known for their feminine hygiene products, their tampons, and their pads. So they're good for our health because they have no harsh chemicals in it.
Yeah.
And they're also good for the environment. There's no plastic in any of the products. They're biodegradable. They're compostable. No bleach. A lot of the products are white, right? They use bleach. And there are no chemicals, like I said. And they're Made Safe certified, meaning it's a third-party organization that guarantees that there are no chemicals in any of their products that can harm our health.
So really good for the baby's bum, too.
Really good for the baby's bum, too, and good for other things as well, which is amazing. All right, so at this time of the year, it's all about convenience, right? We're running around, less time to cook for many of us, but we don't want to compromise on taste or quality. Have you ever heard of tamari sauce?
I actually have, yeah.
Do you use it?
I use their gluten-free.
Okay, so this is Sanjay's tamari. So tamari is made from organic fermented soybeans, but it has a richer yet milder taste than regular soy sauce. Now, what's great about tamari is that you can use it as a marinade. You can use it as in your salad dressings. You can use it as a dipping sauce for sushi.
I didn't know I could do salad dressing.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
And at this time of the year, you can even use it to brine your turkey or to glaze your sweet potatoes and carrots.
Nice.
It's so versatile, which is why I love it. So Sanjay's tamari is organic. It's gluten-free, it's non-GMO, it's FODMAP, it's vegan certified,
all the
and it's
checks,
kosher.
right?
Exactly. It's great for so many different things. So it's a really good option to have. I always have one in my fridge. There's
great.
always one on the go.
Okay, this one's all about de-stressing. What do we got here?
Exactly. You want to be calm. So we have a system in our body called the endocannabinoid system. That system helps our body to maintain homeostasis, meaning balance. When we're balanced, everything's working the way it's supposed to work.
Right.
It also helps with sleep and immunity and mood. Now, this is Emerald Health Bioceuticals. So at this time of the year, life happens, and stress sometimes gets the best of us. So that endocannabinoid system needs a little bit of extra support, just a little bit of that extra little push.
Yeah.
So Emerald Health Bioceuticals has plant-based ingredients that help to support that endocannabinoid system, like turmeric and ginger and passion flower and echinacea. So they have different products. There's 5 in their line that help to support immunity, sleep, inflammation, stress, brain health. It's awesome, and they work really well.
Yeah, that's great.
I really love this product line.
And this one's really unique because you're going to de-stress with this bracelet, right?
So this is from Goddess Garden. These are their aromatherapy bracelets and essential oils. So what's nice about this is that it makes aromatherapy mobile.
Okay.
Right? So a lot of us have diffusers at home, but this allows us to take it with us.
Show me how this works.
Okay, so they have the beautiful bracelets have lava rocks on it.
Okay.
So what you do is you take their essential oil and you put the oil on the lava rocks, and the lava rocks capture the oil.
Ooh,
see? And then what you could do is you could smell it throughout the day.
So you just put it on like it's jewelry.
Put it on like it's jewelry, you wear it, and then you literally just smell it throughout the day.
I can feel my stress melting away right now.
Isn't that amazing?
That's a really great idea.
So the bracelets also have these beautiful charms on it, and they have amazing rocks. You can see, okay, so the stones, so that you can set an intention for your day, which is awesome. So they're great stocking stuffers.
Yeah.
They're available at Vitamin Cottage and on Amazon as well as their website.
We have like 10 seconds left.
Okay,
probiotics.
So dehydration is also, we need to be hydrated this time of the year because dehydration can lead to higher stress levels. We can't cope with it as well. This is Uncle Matt's Organic. They make amazing probiotic waters that use cold pressed fruits to actually, it's unbelievable. So it's made with cold pressed fruits. So they have 3 different flavors. They've got lemon, they've got strawberry lemon, and lemon ginger, and each bottle has 1 billion CFUs of probiotics.
That's great.
And there's no sugar and there's no calories, and drink your water. It makes it tastier, right?
Taking one with me right now. No, this is great.
Yeah, it's really
thanks for coming on. And for more information and to see more products, head to naturallysavvy.com.